What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I want to give you the latest update of my Fabboxxx. Let you check it out. I added because I always use a dolly, so I made a spot where I can be able to slide it in there. See? Easy to put it in there. Very easy. I welded 2 brackets on the bottom so that way I can slide this in, and I'm gonna have 2 locks that's gonna come across here and have them welded that way that can be able to stay on there. But when I pick up the box and need it, I can be able to use the dolly or whatever I need. And as you see, I got the construction for the welder. So if I'm in the field and I need this toolbox, I can bring out the welder to do the little fabrication or do a couple parts or whatever need to be done. It just makes it convenient, you know, because I literally sit down here and just come up with a few things. And I actually built those brackets that go under the bottom of it, sitting on top of here. But like I say, it's just an easy construction, you know. I'm actually gonna put some of those legs on the side where I can be able to cock it up higher and then like lock it and then push it back down. I found some on Amazon, so I'm gonna see if I can order some of them and fabricate them up where they can be able to tweak them up a little bit so they can be able to fit to kill a couple birds in one stone. But I like the way I got it set up, man. I can be able to kill a few birds in one stone, you know, when I'm doing my shop or field fabrication. You know, so if I got this toolbox on the rig, you know what I mean, I can be able to kill a few birds in one stone. So just utilizing what I got, man, making it convenient, making it work, and to be able to kill a few birds in one stone, man. I just think that's what it's about. Utilizing what you got, adding to it, tweaking it, making it better, keep getting money. All gone.